Hey guys, it's Jersey here. We had some questions about Desert Storm. Now, I can't do a video with Desert Storm because it hasn't happened yet, but I'm going to try and show you um, Winter Storm, which is very similar. It kind of gives you the layout and kind of gives you an idea of what to do. So, what happens is each team is going to be ported in. There's a safe zone on both sides of the map, so we might be on the left, we might be on the right. Doesn't matter really. Um, And commander has refused to enter the battlefield. That's annoying. Um, so when it's time to go, there's going to be a countdown. Oh, you'll see. So I'm in my safe zone right now, and it's going to count down to start. Now I want to capture these buildings. Um, I usually position myself here. That doesn't matter. Again, this is really just to show you kind of an idea of what Desert Storm is like. So there's these buildings. You attempt to take them and hold them. Eventually, there will be buildings in the middle that open up. You really want them. But in Desert Storm, there's 4 hospitals. You really want to get some of those hospitals because your troops will be able to be healed. And when you're ported in with full troop level at the highest maximum troop that you have. So, for example, I don't have my T10s yet. I have T9s. All of my troops in this battle are going to be T9s. And killing them in this battle does not kill them. I don't really want to say in the real world because it's not the real world, but it doesn't kill them outside of this battle. There's nothing, you don't get any damage, you don't lose anything by losing in this battle. So that's kind of just what I wanted to show you.